Country of origin: Czech Republic. The package height of the product is 3.9 inches. The package length of the product is 4.8 inches. The package width of the product is 3.9 inches. GM Genuine Parts fuel filters are a high-quality replacement for many vehicles on the road today. These filters are located in the fuel line of your vehicle and help prevent fuel contaminants, such as dirt and rust particles, from entering the fuel delivery system to help keep the engine running properly. GM Genuine Parts are the true O parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM Genuine Parts may have formerly appeared as AC Delco GM Original Equipment, O. Top reviews from the United States. Easy installation, didn't even have to raise my truck. Had to order large socket, Amazon, to remove and install new filer, but who doesn't need more tools?